Bug is keeping these dogs calm. We got this one. Well, hi, Windsor. Are you having a good time? Huh? And then we got this one. Miss Sassy Pants. Hey, calm down. If Bug stops, he gets mad. See? He doesn't really get mad, but he'll keep looking at her, wanting scratches. Yep. He loves scratches. Don't ya? She does too, but he's more of a... What is that, Snorter? What? What? Why are you making noises? You're making noises. Why are you making noises? Doodles. Is that good? Huh? Is it that good? Huh? What are you doing, mamas? Huh? Oh, you want some attention too, huh? Yes. What? What is going on? Huh? Oh, Windsor, you are a big baby, huh? Kahlua doesn't know what to think about that. Papa, listen to him. He's crazy.